this is the view we are getting from here. The entire valley and all the 5 peaks. We have reached close to the base camp where we will be in 5 minutes. Almost halfway down from the Panchchuli base camp, and I will get down to Dugtu village where we started from yesterday. So this is the mesmerizing Dharma Valley. The village of Dantu where we started from and where we are heading towards is here. Dugtu to Panchchuli base camp was 2.5 kilometers of trekking uphill. Somebody had played a dirty game and picked up the signboard from the starting point and thrown it here. So all together it's a 5-kilometer trek uphill to the Bugial Valley and the 0 point, almost 5.5 kilometers. So it's achievable even with family and kid. If you have small kid, you can hire a porter, which I did. And though my daughter went to the Bugial Valley on her feet, she did not want to ride the back of the porter, and she came all the way back to the base camp again walking, and fell asleep for an hour or so. After the lunch, I came down early. I will be waiting for her in the Dugtu village. As soon as she arrives, I will receive her so that she doesn't have to wait.
डोर बने हैं।
हाँ, ये तो नहीं है दिख रहा
जो
है।
ये वो डोर बना है वो देखो
हाँ,
वो डोर बने
काला वाला
हाँ।
है।
हाँ ये डोर बहुत पुराना डोर है। वो पुराना है।
गाड़ी
बहुत पुराना।
एक हमारा मकान है पुराना मकान 218 साल
राजा भाई फौजी बीएसएफ
जो इस पंचाचूली का सबसे बड़ा कैलाश बना दिया वहाँ है हमारा, क्योंकि उस कैलाश से इस रोड को कनेक्शन हो जाएगा तो उस समय इसका पॉपुलेशन हाई हो जाएगा।
वो आदि कैलाश बोल रहा था।
ये आदि कैलाश बड़ा कैलाश।
अच्छा, ये पंचचूली को आदि कैलाश बोल रहे हैं।
हाँ,
ये भी है छोटा कैलाश।
छोटा कैलाश।
इससे भी और बड़ा जोलीगंज साइड में।
अच्छा अच्छा।
बड़ा कैलाश से
ये पहाड़ के पीछे,
ये इसी पहाड़ के पीछे ये जो बर्फ लगा है।
ये जो बर्फ है उसके
अभी आदि कैलाश जाने के लिए तो वीजा पासपोर्ट लगता है।
हाँ,
लेकिन इधर से जाने से तो नहीं लगेगा।
नहीं यहाँ वहीं से भी लगेगा,
वहाँ से भी जाओगे तो
वहाँ से भी लगेगा, यहाँ से भी जाओगे तो इसका कॉन्टेक्ट है। अगर यहाँ से रोड हमारा कटिंग हो जाएगा तो सिमर लोग उस रोड से ज्यादा शॉर्टकट ये रोड
यही रोड आएगा। बहुत मतलब इसका बहुत ही एडवांटेज है इस
तो इस रोड में अभी ज्यादा थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा।
ये बन रहा है तो हम तो देखा बन रहा है रोड ब्रिज वगैरह।
पावर हाउस खुलना है यहाँ से सबसे बड़ा पावर हाउस। इसमें कितना मेगा
We have reached the village of Dantu with my little princess, and that is our stay for tonight. People are climbing up after all this trekking and all. So we will spend the night here, have fun with the locals, and tomorrow after having breakfast we will check out and leave this village. So this hill behind me, that this road takes you all the way to the last village Shipu, after which it's a rugged mountain with cliffs, and on the other side there is China. So this is the picturesque village of Dantu, and we were there in the morning in Panchchuli, which is barely visible from here now. This is the village of Dantu, and this is the room of Maheshji, who is our host. I, along with my wife Sudeepa and my daughter Ishani, have been put to stay for tonight in his personal room. So this is the accommodation here. It is quite nice, beautifully decorated from inside, and this village of Dantu is actually having laid down between the valleys, and that's the reason it's under the strong wind towards the late evening. But it's quite picturesque. People here are quite simple. They're very good people. They're very nice hosts, and I don't know whether the beauty of this place is the reason for that. They have their cattle and the domestic birds, hens and all. Sense of beauty is here. They like to decorate their house with flowers and all the ornamental clothings, which are like those ones for prayers. And if you carefully see the flower pots, you will find that starting from oil containers to the engine oil holders, nothing is wasted here. This is a kind of place which is almost 5.5 hours car ride from Dharchula, and you cannot afford to lose anything here. You have to preserve each and everything and reduce, reuse, recycle. We keep saying all these words, but they are practicing it here. This is the house. Actually, the house structure is like this. The walls are made of stones, and slates are covering the roofs, and the frame is wooden one. These are century-old houses. Mahesh ji, I guess he got some money from tourism. I don't know. Or maybe he wants to make this housing lucrative one. He used some cement to plaster the front side. Just look at the furnitures inside, or if you find the doors and windows, you will come to know how old these housings could be. My fingers are almost freezing in this chilling evening. So this is the view of the valley. The Panchchuli got covered from there, and the village of Dugtu, the trekking route where we started yesterday. We climbed all over there on the other side of this hill to the base camp, and then started trekking towards this valley, towards this glacier early morning, and came all the way back here. So we met a nice gentleman. Yes, here he is. He is called Mr. Gopal, who is a resident here since his birth. He's looking quite decent. So are others here. But as per Mr. Gopal, these villages are having representation in IAS or IPS services or Merchant Navy or BSF or all kind of top government jobs. So hardly 15 to 20% houses of these villages are occupied. The sad story is there are almost 9 villages. Including this Dugtu and Dantu. There are few ones visible over there, and there are few others on the other side of this hill towards the Shifu village, which is the last village on this road before it gets into China. The sad story is they don't have a school here. They don't have any healthcare facility here, and the irony is they are having all these top-notch government jobs, and the millionaires or the rich people who represent these villages but who got settled in Nainital or Almora or as far as Delhi or even in Mumbai. So I guess they will think about their birthplace once again, being in government jobs, or they would like to volunteer to develop the communication to this area. Right now this area is almost unknown to external world, and that's why I guess it's a bliss when the careless citizens like us who travel to these kind of beautiful valleys and who spread all kind of nuisances like carry bags or our small throwaways here, and kill the beauty. So but somehow I guess this area needs improvement, and as a responsible tourist we have to take a pledge that when we come here, when we be here, we will be accustomed with the hosts and their cultures, and we will not spoil anything. All our chocolate wrappers, wafer bags or anything, you just wrap it in a bag and take it back to you and throw it back to your dirty cities. Don't spoil this place. Once again I would like to show the interiors of this housing. uh, People are busy in photo shoot in this nostalgic house. This is the doorway which will take you to the rooms. So here we have two setups, one inside where our fellow tourists are there, and this is our friend and family, and a monkey in orange suit who is jumping. Overall it's a simple country construction and nice place to stay.
Yes, this is a very pretty place.
So kids are enjoying this place. We will have fun at night in this chilling weather when some chilling winds are passing through those gaps at night and keeping this place cold once. And that's why we have all these blankets for us. We will have to wrap at least a couple along with all our winter wears in the night because of the wind. So let me come out and represent another view of the Dharma Valley and the Panchachuli, along with the peaks surrounding the village. Electricity is not there. They depend on this kind of solar arrangement. And in Maheshji's room, I have seen, or rather let me show you, they have the solar inverter and the solar panels, so there are plenty of sunshine here throughout the year, and it's wise to use it for your betterment. So here, as per the Indian culture, we take our shoes aside and get inside the room. This is Maheshji's room. He's the nicest host I have ever seen. He offered his personal room for us because we were 2 or 3 extra people, creating some extra burden on him tonight. This is the solar arrangement. We have TV and everything, so we are having nice experience. वो अभी उस रूम में गई है बच्चे को खिलाने के लिए.
गर्म पानी है मतलब पहुंच
Ta-da! Hi, we are at Maheshji's kitchen room right now, and this is a new kind of oven. In our part, the oven is usually on the side and the chimney will come up, but here you have to preserve the heat, so that's why they have created it at the center. And the people who take the dinner sit around it, so it's a kind of main of family get together where everybody sits together at the fire, and they do the chit chat in the evening and they have their dinner So it's not only a kitchen; it's a main of social gathering. People have fun. So I hope you are enjoying this. This one, it is brewed locally, and it is giving us a good kick in this cold evening outside. So good. This is the shop of Maheshji, a departmental store number. Yeah. But the fun part of the story is he is sober. He doesn't smoke. He doesn't drink.
Yes, चंद्रशिला परफेक्ट है। चंद्रशिला परफेक्ट है।
थोड़ा से वो चालू करते हैं हरिद्वार से
नहीं, आपको रुद्रप्रयाग से आपको ना रुद्रप्रयाग से आपको 70 किलोमीटर दूर आपको पड़ेगा चोपटा।
चोपटा गाड़ी चल जाएगा।
हाँ, चोपटा गाड़ी जाएगी। चोपटा भी इस सीजन में बहुत सुंदर होगा।
चोपटा पहले तो काफी फेमस है।
हाँ, चोपटा आजकल बड़ा फेमस है। अभी तो भीड़ हो गया है।
भीड़ होता है।
मैं तो 13 में गया था तो बिल्कुल नहीं था। तो वहाँ पे आपको आप चोपटा में आपको रहने को मिल जाएगा। वहाँ पे वही है कि 4 लोग का रहने का कमरा आपको, अगर आप चोपटा मार्केट क्रॉस करके आपको रहोगे तो आपको 500-600 में मिल जाएगा। मार्केट से पहले रहोगे तो आपको 800-1000 में मिल जाएगा।
अच्छा।
ओली उसमें क्या है कि लोग रोड पे जाते हैं, रोड से ना एक रोपवे है, वो रोपवे से लोग पहुंच जाते हैं।
2 स्टेज है, ऊपर
हाँ।
में आपका कुछ
अगर आपको बस चिल करना है तो अलग बात है।
नहीं ऐसे नहीं।
अगर आपको
हमको
इसके बाद आप ओली जाओ, इसके बाद टू बी फ्रैंक ना, इसके बाद अगर आप चंद्रशिला भी जाओगे ना, आपको लगेगा कि अच्छा है, आपको नहीं लगेगा बहुत औसम है। ठीक है, ओली तो फिर आपको क्या ही लगेगा।
नहीं ओली
नहीं, मैं फ्रैंकली बोल रहा हूँ, हमने ये सारे काफी चीजें देखे हैं। जो खलिया टॉप भी है ना, खलिया टॉप से भी ये पीक्स नजर आते हैं और काफी पास नजर आते हैं। बट फिर भी
बीच में 2 हिल है।
हमारा ये था ना कि हमने इतना चीजें देखने के बाद हमारा मन था कि भाई इतना सुंदर तो देख लिया, अब नेक्स्ट लेवल सुंदर क्या है, इसलिए यहाँ पे आए।
Hi, we are all set for a descent from the village of Dantu. Maybe we will start around 6:37 o'clock towards Dharchula, and from there we have to change our cab, or rather on the way we have to change our cab in the landslide zone and take the other cab with all our luggages loaded over there and head towards Dharchula. And from there our regular cab which we booked for these 10 days of journey is waiting, and we will have our lunch, transfer our luggage and head towards Kausani. So on the final morning, punctually, all 5 sisters, they did not disappoint us. We got a quite nice view of all the 5 peaks getting the flame from which the name Panchachuli comes. So those 5 sisters are visible just in front of us. The 5th one is even getting clear now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the peak of the 5th one, Panchachuli for you. I hope you have enjoyed each and every part of this show. So all of us are quite excited after spending the night in this fantastic house. Even my 3-year-old daughter has got up from bed early. Nobody wants to miss a chance to have a view of the Dugtu village, and we see that the pickup cab is also waiting over there at the end of the trekking route all the way towards base camp behind this hill and to the 0 point, the glacier area where we went. The locals say that our guide rather, they were saying that they some 20-25 years ago, the glacier which is climbing over there till here, it was till this point, and now due to global warming it has climbed up. So maybe another 30 years we will see the snow caps only on the mountain tops like the small hills. This is where the damage is getting done by us with all the greenhouse gas emission. We are killing all our sources of fresh water in the northern part of India, and this is a everlasting problem we are creating for ourselves. But as long as it is there, there are a few handful of years when we can come for this kind of treks with all kind of adversity, with all kind of chilling winter and sub-zero temperature in this kind of wooden and stony houses, and enjoy whatever nature had to offer us. So with that note, our expedition to this Dantu village comes to an end. I will have another look at the Panchchuli and hope for the remaining clouds getting cleared up. My battery is running low on this video recorder, so I may not be able to continue for more than 5 or 10 minutes for now. So these 5 peaks are finally visible to all of us on the final day of the journey from the village of Dantu, or rather the Dharma Valley. So feast your eyes and bye bye.
Hello, this is Gambhir.
বিশাল বলে খাবো হলো
রুদ্রপ্রয়াগ থেকে হয়তো লাখ ভালো থাকলে একবারে চোপতারও গাড়ি পেয়ে যেত, আর শেয়ারে যাবেন অনেক কমে হয়ে যাবে। আপনার হয়তো পুরো রাস্তাটা আপনার ম্যাক্সিমাম 500 টাকা পার হেড পড়বে, চোপতা পৌঁছতে 500-600 টাকা পড়বে। আর সেটাই আপনি যদি এতে যান, রিজার্ভ করে যান, তো 4,500-5,000 টাকা নিয়ে নেবেন গাড়ি।
ঠিক আছে, রেকর্ড করে নিলাম।